Morning, good afternoon, good evening. So once again today, the first video I did, we talk about the 45, 45, 90. So this one, we're going to be talking about the 30, 60, 90. As I said in the first one, we're not going to use proportion. So we're going to use this triangle every time to solve that one without using proportion. So let's look at this triangle. So we have, like, most of the time they're going to give you like the formulas. So if you don't remember the formula for a 30-60, there's a quick way to recall it. I have a short, long, and hypotenuse. So if I go that way, there's a 1, 2, 3. And I take the square root of 3 and I add and I multiply everything by x. 1, 2, 3, and I take the square root of 3, multiply everything by x. That's a quick way. That's what we call a mnemonic. Find a way to recall stuff without memorizing them. So let's try to solve that problem. I want to find, so if you look at that triangle, I have a short leg, a long leg, and the hypotenuse. I want to find the hypotenuse and the short leg. So, but I know there's a relation between the short leg, which is x, and the long leg. I know the long leg is the short leg multiplied by square root of 3. So if I'm looking at these two triangles, if I'm using similarities, I could say 9 is equal to x square root of 3. So that's the relation. Now I'm solving for x. Divide by square root of 3, divide by square root of 3. X would be equal to 9 divided by square root of 3. Remember, we cannot have a square root of 3 at the bottom. I'm going to do the same thing I did earlier. Multiply and divide by square root of 3. Anything I multiply and I divide by the same number, it's like I multiply by 1. When I multiply by 1, I don't change nothing. So now, so I got 9 square root of 3 square root of 9, because 3 times 3 is 9. What is square root of 3? What is square root of 9? Square root of 9 is 3. No more square root at the bottom. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So x equal 3 square root of 3. Now, I find x. Now I want to find the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse says you take the short leg, you double it. That's how we find the hypotenuse. So y would be equal to 2 times 3 square root of 3. 2 times 3 is 6 square root of 3. So that's pretty much how you solve a triangle for 30, 60, 90. Whatever method you feel comfortable, you do it. Either use proportion that I showed you last week or you use that method. Thank you.